right, grab the keys. Pop in a quick cold start. Welcome back to the channel. If you're stopping in for the first time, please check out my other videos, and if you like the content, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you guys. We're up, getting close to 750 subscribers. Hey, we're slowly but surely growing up there. We're slowly but surely climbing up that hill. I appreciate everyone stopping by, taking some time out of their time, out of your day today, and I hope all of you guys are safe and sound, and you know, doing your social distancing, staying safe, staying secure, and hopefully not coming down with anything that's going on. So where we're headed today, everyone's been asking for, we're heading to the dyno. Alright everyone, like I said in the intro there, we're heading to Pure Automotive Performance in Millersville to hit the dyno. This is the pre-heads installed dyno run, and we'll show those numbers once we get there. So we'll figure out where shake and bake is from a baseline before we do the heads, and then again we'll do another one after we get the heads installed. So see, this is Thursday. I may put this up tonight, or I may save it for the actual heads install video. Getting the heads installed on Monday may run into Tuesday next week, and then the dyno is set up for Friday next week. So it'll be probably the Friday night or Saturday when I get the heads install video and the final dyno numbers from the heads install. But like I said, we're on our way to the dyno, and we'll be back in a minute. All right, let's being that we're headed out, let's see if we can find anybody who wants to play around. Let's be on the lookout. We're on the prowl. We're looking for some scat packs to kill. You know, gotta hit the overpasses. You know the deal on that one. Here we are at Pure Automotive Performance, waiting to hit the dyno. I got here about an hour and a half early to obviously pop the hood, let shake and bake cool down. Again, we're Pure Automotive Performance here in Millersville. I'll show you the sign here in a second. This is where also I got my my alignment done, and they did an outstanding job. really, really good job. So there's the sign, there's their number. Feel free to give them a call if you're in this area, if you need anything automotive done. These are the guys that'll get it done for you. Brady is a great guy. I've talked to him a few times, and we're gonna get in on the dyno here in about another hour and a half or so. Just some time to let the car cool down and get a good test hit. So we'll see you when we get to the dyno. We're still here at Pure Automotive Performance, waiting for Shake and Bake to get tied down, ready to go on the dyno. She's back there, just getting ready. And look what pulled in here. So I'm not one to quote cars, but this looks like a pretty nice Skyline to me. Oh, GTR. Skyline GTR, there it is. There it is, folks. All right, folks, here we go. Pull number one. Looks like 437 horsepower, 408 torque. He head back outside before he does another one, because it's loud. There, they got a Ford Mustang they've been working on out here. Dropped to 391 and max torque stayed the same.
The first one is not accurate. The first one read the shift.
Say again?
The first one read the shift.
What you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about, Willis?
Okay.
So
the first one's not accurate.
The first one's not accurate because like I tried to stop the dyno right at red line and it shifted gears on me. So
Gotcha.
It made a little bump at the end. So if you look at this one, it should be like the actual number.
So the second one is more
online.
I
bet you if we do, I'll do two more. I bet you they overlay that same line.
Okay. result, 391, 406 torque. She's getting a little warmed up. We've dropped down to 386 and 401 torque. So for all you guys that wanted to know the numbers, there they are. So we'll do a... All right, folks, I just decided to go ahead and do the outro here in the waiting room while I'm waiting for them to unstrap it, pull it back around so that I can pay and get on my way home. So those are the numbers. 391 horsepower and 408 torque. So, you know, that may sound a little low to folks. Sounded a little low to me than what I expected. I expected probably a little over 400, but 391 is absolutely respectable. And, you know, I'm running 11.8s with 391 horsepower. I'm perfectly happy with that, perfectly fine with that. I know some people will squawk at the dyno numbers and say I'm not making as much horsepower as I should be, and that's all fine and dandy, but at the end of the day, I know my car will run, you know, an 11.8 in awesome weather, and it'll run 11.9s, 12.0s all day long. So that's going to do it for this one, folks. Again, if you're stopping in for the first time, take a look at some of my other content. You like what's going on with the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button so you know when I upload new content. Until next time, peace.